Jack goes to school. Jack will be a boy. He will be 7 years old. Jack will go to school every day. He will wake up at 7 o'clock. He will eat bread and cheese for breakfast. He will put on his blue shirt. He will take his green bag. He will say goodbye to his mom. Jack will walk to school. He will see his friend Ben. Jack and Ben will walk together. They will arrive at the school at 8 o'clock. Jack will sit in the classroom. His teacher's name will be Mrs. Smith. Mrs. Smith will read a story. Jack will listen carefully. He will write with his pencil. He will draw a red apple. The bell will ring at 12 o'clock. Jack will go home and will eat lunch. Now that you have listened to the story, learning English with short stories is a great way to improve your listening, reading, and speaking skills at the same time. Now, to make sure you understand the story well, let's answer some simple questions together. Will Jack be a boy or a girl? Jack will be a boy. How old will Jack be? Jack will be 7 years old. Will Jack go to school every day? Yes, Jack will go to school every day. What time will Jack wake up? Jack will wake up at 7 o'clock. What will Jack eat for breakfast? Jack will eat bread and cheese for breakfast. What color will Jack's shirt be? Jack's shirt will be blue. Who will Jack see on the way to school? Jack will see his friend Ben. What will the teacher's name be? The teacher's name will be Mrs. Smith. Will Jack listen to the story carefully? Yes, Jack will listen carefully. What will Jack draw? Jack will draw a red apple. Good job. Learning English with short stories is a great way to learn step by step. When you listen to stories, you learn new words, sentences, and real English. You don't need to worry about mistakes. Just listen, understand, and enjoy the story. Thank you for watching. See you in the next story.